I'm leaving the house with my new setup. It's like a stereo, two Omni LV-s separated by an inch of phone. Can't find the right key. I'm now officially outdoors, and my mouth is approximately 16 inches from the mics. It's pretty windy, so I don't know how these wind muffs or little dead cats are going to work. Now the wind's picking up as I turn onto Lakeshore. And around the corner. There's a moderate wind, and my coat's kind of blocking most of the wind from behind me. I'm going to turn the mic towards the street. Get the ambulance coming from the left. And the car coming from the right. Yeah, now that the wind's going to come off the lake, so it is pretty windy. I think I have the low cut filter on. I'm pretty sure I do. And I'm not blocking the wind coming from the lake right now. So that was a good gust. It didn't seem to pick up the wind that much. But I guess I'll find out when I check it later. Walking on gravel, it's kind of fun. There's no wind right now. I'm on Lantier. There's an airplane, obviously. You'll be able to hear that. Where's Libby? Going up the stairs. I hope the door's open. It's not open. I get my key out. One-handing it, and I'm in. I'm inside now.
Oh, you're recording.
It's my new setup.
Wow, it looks special with the pom-poms.
Yeah.
And a pen?
Temporary, yeah, just to check it out.
Cool.
Any noises in here? So it's always on the left, I'm on the right.
Charlie's here, he might say hello. Charlie.
Charlie. No. Okay, recording over.